Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a popular topic for all you foodies out there: how to install and use Food Network Go on your FireStick. Whether you're into cooking shows, recipes, or just looking for some culinary inspiration, we've got you covered. Let's get started. 1. Introduction to Food Network Go. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about what Food Network Go is. It's the ultimate destination for all things food-related, offering a vast library of cooking shows, recipes, and even live TV. And the best part? You can enjoy all of this right from your FireStick. 2. Installing Food Network Go on FireStick. First things first, let's install Food Network Go on your FireStick. Here's how you do it. Navigate to the home screen using your FireStick remote. Go to the home screen. Search for Food Network Go. Select the search icon and type in Food Network Go using the on-screen keyboard. Select Food Network Go. Once you see the app in the search results, click on it to open the app page. Download and install. On the app page, click Download to start the installation process. Once downloaded, click Open to launch the app. Conclusion. And there you have it. You're now all set to explore the wonderful world of food with Food Network Go on your FireStick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!